Immobiliser fit, and this is a brand new 74 plate Porsche Taycan protected with a Halo Mini. So if a thief got the key, went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to go into gear. As you see, it goes straight back into park. It's not going anywhere. So all you got to do, get in the vehicle, start it up, go through a code. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the window buttons, receive a flash. We can pop it into gear, the vehicle remains running, and we can drive away. As soon as you get out of the vehicle, you turn it off, system becomes active. So if a thief grabbed your key straight away, went to drive the vehicle away, it's not going anywhere. As you see, just going straight back into park. It's going to need your code again. So one more time, left, left, right, right. We have for now, receive a flash from the hazards, and we can drive away. Turn the vehicle off, activates instantly with double flash, letting you know the system's on. If you're taking this for a service, what you have to do, turn the ignition on, pop your code in, and hold on the last button for 10 seconds, and we'll get 5 flashes. Once it's in service mode, it becomes a normal vehicle as if there's no immobiliser on here. So when it goes back to Porsche, if it's got to move around their workshop, it's just going to be a normal car. So when we turn it off, you'll see we get no flash to confirm it's activated. When Porsche go to move it around the workshop, it's just a normal car. You see it goes into gear, no code needed. They can drive it around, do what they need to do. When you get it back, to turn it back on is exactly the same process. So ignition on without starting, pop your code in, and hold on the last button for 10 seconds. The only difference being now you'll get 1 flash to confirm it's come out of service mode. So we'll just keep holding until we get that. There we go. When we turn the car off, the double flash confirmation shows the system's active. So just to make sure, start the car, try put it in gear. See, we're out of service mode now. Vehicle's going nowhere. If you want to change the code, on this you can set whatever you want between 3 and 21 presses, so you don't need to start it. Turn the ignition on, pop your code in. Now the system knows it's you, you can push the accelerator 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready to set a new code after a double flash. So we'll just do front, back, turn the ignition off. The system's now set, it's learnt the new code, so next time we get in, start the car, front, back, receive our flash, drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a brand new 74 plate Porsche Taycan, fully electric with a Halo Mini. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.